Next on the list is the 1974 Plymouth Road Runner hardtop, Rallye Red over white and black. Got the 440 in it, aluminum heads or aluminum. Built A727 automatic transmission. It's got the 411 sure grip axle. It's a true road runner, and this is a lot of fun. This is a car that you can just go have fun with. And not worry about anything other than being cool.
It's awesome.
If you're worried about being cool, don't buy this car.